of the chapter. It is all about the fruit which every one of you likes, right? Almost now I came to know the favorite fruit of yours, that the favorite fruit of all of us is mango, right? Generally it is coming in the months of April, May till June also, right? So now based on this only our chapter is there, right? The name of the chapter is our national fruit, mango, right? Now I am going to start with the page number 1 of your textbook. Kanji sune koyal keri kunj, keri bagich. That means it is translated into English, that is Kanji listens, a cuckoo coos, mangoes in the orchard. That means this person is listening the sounds, right, of the cuckoo, right, and the mangoes are in the orchard. Orchard means a place where the mangoes are being grown. Mangoes are being grown. Now count the total letters of the poem, right? We have to count the total letters of this Gujarati poem. There are 5 letters in the first row. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 letters in the first row. There are 5 letters in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Along with that, there are 7 letters in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 letters in the middle row. So total if you count, so 5 plus 5, that means 10, plus 7, that means total 17 letters are there in this. This poem of 3 lines is called the haiku. Now what we understand the meaning of haiku? Haiku is the poetic form of the Japan, right? In Japan there are small poems of 3 lines, 5 lines, 7 lines. So such poems of 3 lines, 5 lines, 7 lines are called the haiku. Another, there is one more haiku, that is Meethi Sugandhi Chu Sorat Ni Keri Muchu Kesar. Now it is translated into English. I am sweet. Sweet you know very well that. And fragrant. Fragrant means it is having a good aroma. Mango from Sorat. Sorat is a place of Saurashtra region. I am Kesar, the type of mango that grow over here, that is Kesar. Do you know any poem or story about the mangoes? Some pictures of mango given here are made by the children, right? Now we are going to move to the page number 2. Page number 2. In Sanskrit, mango is called the amra, right? In Sanskrit, the mango is called the amra. Different shapes of the amra often commonly seen in the embroidery work, paintings or the jewelry designs, right? You must have seen this kind of designs, right? This shape you must have seen in the embroidery work, or you must have seen in the jewelry, right? Majorly it is coming in the jewelry and the clothes, right? There is some pattern also given in your textbook, right? This you can see in the mehndi designs also. Observe the pictures on the curtains, mats or any other things and find the mangoes of the different colors and the shapes. Now draw mangoes of different types with the different designs. Talara, the taluka of Gir Somnath district, is famous for its Kesar mango, right? Talala, it's actually a district of Somnath, right? It's well known for the Kesar mangoes. The good quality Kesar mangoes are being coming from that particular region, and it is famous worldwide. The quality of land ecology. Land ecology means it is very much favorable for growing of mangoes. Land ecology means it is very much good for growing of mangoes, right? The land fertility is more good over there. Is suitable for growing mangoes. Talala can be called as the capital of Kesar mangoes, right? Because majority of the mangoes are coming from Talala, and that too good quality, called Kesar mangoes. The plantations of the mangoes are called Ambawadi, right? Ambawadi is nothing but your orchard in English. Ambawadi means nothing but an orchard in the English. They are the lifeline of this region. Lifeline means it's a supporting for their families, right? If they grow good quality mangoes over there, they can earn money from it, right? You must have heard Ambe Avya Mor Varta Keshupur. It's a small poem in the Gujarati. A mango tree initially bears flowers in the season of spring. In the season of spring. Spring is generally a season which is between March to May, right? Generally it's between March to May. During this particular time, the mangoes generally grow. After that, it bears the mango fruits. Mangoes are picked from the trees and piled. Piled means पाइल मीन्स टू मेक अ हिप. हिप का मतलब होता है इकट्ठा करना, राइट? आपने जो मैंगोज तोड़े हैं उसका इकट्ठा करना है. Mangoes are picked from the trees and piled on the ground, right? You can see in the picture also, right? It is grounded like this. Then they are segregated. Segregated. Okay. The meaning of the word segregated. Segregated का मतलब होता है to separate, right? To separate. Now, what is the meaning of separate? Separate means to make a proper separation of the fruits, right? To make separate out good quality mangoes and the poor quality mangoes, and packed in different boxes as per their quality. If they are good mangoes, then they are packed in the good quality. Then these boxes are sent to the marketing yard. Now, what is the meaning of the word marketing yard? Marketing yard is a place where all the farmers are coming and dumping their mangoes, right? जहाँ पे सभी farmers आते हैं और अपने mangoes जो है वहाँ पे sell करते हैं, and then they get the good quality. Then they get the good quality of amount from the persons who are buying their mangoes, right? Bring similar number of mangoes boxes as the number of students in the class. Each box must contain 18 mangoes, right? If all the students will open the box and pile the mangoes in a single heap, what will be the total number of mangoes in that heap? Now here they are saying that to do one activity whereby each and every student will be bringing one mango box. One mango box will contain 18 mangoes, right? Now, if one box contains 18 mangoes, so the number of students who are bringing, so that multiplied by 18, so you will get the total number of mangoes that the students have brought. Guess how many mango trees will be there in a single mango orchard? That means Ambawadi. One orchard may be having 200. Depends on the area the farmer is having. It varies from the farmer to farmer. Now let's see the page number 3, right? Well, if a farmer picks mangoes from one tree during the season, only one tree during the season, which can fill 18 boxes. How many boxes are there? 18. Of 12 kg in a quantity each. So each box 60 kg because 18 twos are 36 and we put 1 0. So 360 kg the farmer have collected the mangoes, right? Below that there are bullet points in which it is written how many kilograms do you weigh. For example, your weight is say for example 30 kg. Right? What is the approximate total weight of 12 students like you together? Weight of such 12 students. Now your weight is 30. For example, you are having the similar students, right? 12 such students, each of having the same weight. So 30 multiplied by 12. Now 12 threes is 36. Followed with 1 0. So 360 kg is the weight of total 12 students. Compare the total weight of 12 students with the weight of total mangoes picked from this orchard. Which one is less? Now, if you see the box weight and the students' weight, it is right now coming approximately same. Sometimes this can be greater, sometimes this can also be greater. Right? Now, fourth bullet point: if 5 kg mangoes are consumed at our home every week, that means every week 1 week, how many kg mangoes are being consumed? 5 kg. यानी 5 kg mangoes खाया जाता है, right? And if the cost of 1 kg is 75, cost of 1 kg is equal to rupees 75. Is it clear? Cost of 1 kg mango is rupees 75. Then how many kg of mangoes will be required for 1 month? Okay, 1 week 5 kg. So 4 weeks is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. That means 20 kg you require for 1 month. Right? Because 4 weeks make 1 month. Right? In 1 week you require 5 kg. So 4 weeks means 4 into 5. 20 kg mangoes you require for 1 month. And what will be the cost of it? Okay, now 20 multiplied by cost of 1 kg is 75. So 75 twos is 150. And 1 more 0. Right? Now this is the cost. So here we always write the rupees sign. So rupees 1,500 is the cost of the mangoes which are coming in 1 month. Now if the mango season continues for the 3 months, अगर ये season है वो 3 months के लिए चलता है, and you eat the mangoes regularly, give an estimate of the mangoes required and its cost during the season. Let's see over here. Now this pattern will be continued for 3 months, right? So 1 month 20 kg. Therefore 3 months is equal to 3 multiplied by 20. That means 60 kg mangoes you require for the 3 months. Now what is the cost of this 60 kg? Cost of 60 kg mangoes is equal to 60 multiplied by the cost of 1 kg is 75. So 60 multiplied by 75 is equal to, now 75 6 450, right? 1 more 0. So this is the cost of 60 kg mangoes, right? Thank you. The cost of 60 kg mangoes is equal to 60 multiplied by 75. What is the 75? 75 is the cost of 1 kg. So 60 multiplied by 75. So that means it's 450 and 1 0 of 60. So 4,500 is the cost of 60 kg mangoes, right? Now we'll be continuing the remaining portion, students, in the next lecture. Thank you.
आभार।